What's up, everyone? So with the release of the K.I.S Keep It Simple MedPack V2, there's a bunch of different options that you can do versus the V1 K.I.S MedPack that we offered starting last year. One of the biggest ones is your ability to accessorize. We understand that there's different body types, different situations, non-permissive environments. The possibilities are endless. So what we want to do with utilizing this laser cut squadron front panel with standard size hole spacing is we wanted you as the end user to be able to accessorize your K.I.S in any configuration that you can think of for whatever situation you're finding yourself in. So when they ship, they're going to come standard with the pouch, the med pack, and you're going to have two 1-wrap straps here, very similar to what was found on K.I.S V1. So because of the new design, we're able to offer all these extra clips, and we're going to show you what we're offering out the gate and how to install them if you want to swap them out. All right, so when you get your K.I.S in the mail, it's going to arrive something like this. If you chose to get it just as the pouch and the insert, it's going to show up just like this. If you decided you wanted to get medical supplies, you're going to also get the medical supplies included, the combat gauze, twin hyphen chest seals, and the gloves. So one quick note on the medical supplies is we are selling the pouch by itself, so that means you have the freedom to put pre-existing medical supplies that you already own in it. Keep in mind that it is designed around what we consider the essential kit: chest seals, combat gauze, and gloves. You just add a tourniquet like our ECS and an ETQ, something of that matter. But keep in mind that it is designed around this kit, so we can't guarantee if you get it at home, you put your own medical supplies in, that it's going to function exactly the same as it's been tested with this. Just keep that in mind. So for instance, if you get the kit without medical supplies, it's going to look like this, and we are going to have upgrades and offer upgrades for clips right out the gate. So we're going to be offering the DCC mini clips here. We're going to be offering 5-hole plastic clips, which is great for non-permissive environments, and then we're also going to have Alti clips out the gate. So that's going to be an upgrade that you're able to choose from, and right now, because DCC is one of the top in the game, some of our favorite clips, we're going to utilize them, and we're going to show you how to set this up. So I'm going to move this out of the way. I'm going to get my pouch here. So all you need for this is a little bit of patience and a Phillips head screwdriver. So I'm going to take my backing post here. And you do have ride height adjustability on this, so depending on where you like to run things, as the end user, what's comfortable for you, you can adjust it. But for now, I'm just going to set it at a standard setting. This is how we typically run ours. So I'm going to fish this post up here, and I'm going to go through this hole. I'm going to take one of my rubber spacers. I'm going to repeat that. Rubber spacer. And I'm going to put all 4 of these in. So it's ready to go and ready to lay the clip on there. Last one. All right. We have this cutaway panel here, which makes it a lot easier for the end user, for you all, to put these on. Just slip a finger in here and hold it against the backing post. You do that when you're putting the spacer on, as well as when you're tightening it down, as you'll see. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the clip, I'm going to run it through this laser cut section here. I'm going to slightly slide over, and then I'm going to line this up with the 2 backing posts that I just put in. So I'm going to take my little screw, I'm going to start threading it in, I'm going to take my screwdriver, I'm going to give it a few turns until it's nice and snug. Now, because it is ride height adjustable, we don't send anything with it, but if you'd like and you're pretty happy with the fitment and where you have it, feel free to throw some blue Loctite on there or something to help keep it from rattling loose as you're carrying it. So for this one, on these DCC clips, you might have to bend this back a little bit. I like to put my thumb under it. It can be a little bit of a pain. They don't give you much space. All right, now I got it started. I'm gonna pull that out of the way, and we're able to get in there and tighten that down snugly. So for the second side, very much the same. Just fit that clip right in the laser cut section. Slide it down over the 2. For this side, let's try the getting that top in first. Hopefully it gives us a little bit more space to work with here. That's my biggest qualm with these clips is they're great low profile clips. They're awesome for wearing a fully tuckable shirt, but they are a little bit of a pain to get started. But that one was much easier than the other side. And there you have it. So there's your DCC mini clips on here. Bunch of different configurations. Do you.